Turn your volume up. These are the top 5 scariest bird sounds ever recorded. Comment which one scares you the most. But first you will have an insane luck in a week if you like. And subscribe to my channel within 5 seconds. First is Common Loon. That's a bird? I thought it was a ghost. Next is Lyrebird. It sounds like a crying baby. Next is Kookaburra. That laugh doesn't sound happy at all. Next is Shoebill. That noise is pure nightmare fuel. And last is Kiwi. This is way creepier than it looks.